So up to 30 you are completed, right? Now go to that 31st scenario.
Yes.
So what is the 31?
Want to alter the schema, Oracle, modify data set,
Right,
null
right.
handling, drop, keep,
Yes, yes.
type
So
conversion,
first of
column
all, yeah, 31. I want alter the schema. So alter the schema means what is the meaning of the alter the schema? Toucher you are going to update it, right?
right.
Toucher. So here, how you are going to change the toucher with help of the modify.
Okay.
So what is the modify? Modify is supposed that one single input line, one single output line. Right? Understood what I'm saying here? One single input line, one single output line. Within the modify stage, you have the 5 properties are there. What are they? Yeah, read it. What are they?
Null handling,
One is the
drop,
null handling, one is the drop, one more is the keep, one more is the type conversion, one more is the column header changes. So
right.
here, first one is the null handling. How you are going to handle the null values? And you have the sum of the things, and I will explain that those are the things here, right? Then drop as well as keep and type conversion also there, and also column header changes. How you can work on that, please? Now go to the
Okay.
open your designer, please. Open the designer.
Okay.
Right. So make it as parallel and then make it as one source and one target. So here modify stage supports that one input link and one output link, please. Modify, take that one source and one output. Logic stage like a modify. Yes, link of that. Make it as all the credential into the source. Right, make it all the credential in the source level. Take the EMP table. Take the EMP table.
Yes.
Load the columns. Yes. Now go to that. Modify stage. Modify. Now we have the specification, right? So what is the first one?
Yes.
Null handling. So null handling means within the commission column we have some null values are there, right? Just to open the SQL plus
Right.
and see that. So let's start from EMP. Just to open that. So let's start from EMP.
Where?
Go to the SQL plus. Under the SQL
Uh,
plus, open that.
okay.
So let's start from EMP.
One second.
Set line command 300. Right. So let's start from EMP. Right. So first one is the null handling, right? So null handling means within my source table, I have the commission column there. Within the commission column, I have some null values are there. So those are the null values I want changes. So
In
within
which
the data
column?
warehouse,
In which column?
commission column, we have the some null values are there. Within the
Mm-hmm.
commission column, we have the null values are there. But what is my
Right.
requirement? I don't want loading into the null values into the target, right? This is our requirement. How you can So actually in the source I will have some null values are there. But I want into the
Right.
target level, I don't want that. So instead of that
Right.
null value, I want make it a sum of the values. So at least
Mm-hmm.
a zero. So zero is not countable, right? This is zero. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. This is the countable values, but 0 is the uncountable value. But this is the value, right? So instead of the
Mm-hmm.
values, you are going to make that here 0. How you can,
Okay.
right? Now go to that. Modify stage, the specification, like you need to understand that the syntax is here. So what is the syntax here? Your column name is equal handle underscore null within the bracket your column name comma 0. You need to remember my syntax. So what is the syntax for that? Your column name is equal,
Okay.
what is your column name? Commission column, right? Is equal.
Mm.
Then
Okay.
handle underscore null. Handle underscore null. Handle underscore null. So within the bracket, handle, no, not typing. No. COMM is equal. This is your column name, right? So commission
Yes. Yes.
column is equal. Is it equal?
One second. One second.
Yeah,
Action. Why
yeah.
it is not
Susmita,
typing now?
all the documents, 77 documents are there. I already accepted. Please, you can all the documents share to all of them.
Commission is equals to
Equal to handle underscore null. Handle
handle
underscore
underscore null.
null. Yeah.
Okay.
Within the bracket, within the
Okay.
bracket, within the bracket, open the bracket. Right. Now, your column name, comma, 0. What is your column name? Commission column, right? COMM. That is your column. Commission comma, 0. Commission comma,
Oh,
0.
is it okay?
Yes. Yeah. Copy paste there here. So you need to remember that. What is the syntax for that? What is the syntax for
Column
that?
name is equal to handle
Mm,
underscore null into bracket
right. Mm,
column name again and
ah,
zero.
right. So your column name is called handle underscore null within the bracket your column name comma your value. Right. This
So
is it. Right.
zero is compulsory or we can give any value.
You can given the one means that the countable value, right? One is the countable value.
Ah, no means we
So
can
zero
give
means
word or something or no,
no, no.
only
That is a
zero.
numeric value. The commission column is the numeric values, right?
Okay, okay,
The commission column is the numeric values. So you need to make it the numeric values.
okay, okay, okay,
Yes. This is the one. Handle the null values. So within the handle
okay.
the null values. So once you have to run the values, what you have to do? So output data in within the commission column, you get into the 0. So where is the null values are there? Under the null value, instead of the null values, you are going to make it the 0, right? So this is the value we are going to make it as. Clear, right?
Yes.
Now, click on OK. Make it output path, mapping. One more point you need to remember. So within the module stage, you are going to load the metadata yourself, like a compress
Right.
staging, expand stage you did, right? Same thing here.
Yes, yes.
So within that also, you need to make it as please. Right. Now go to that output path. Colon. Yes. Scenario 31.s, right? Yes.
Yes.
Now run the job. This is only one property. That is the null handling only. Scenario 31. modify. Yes. So what is the output that will come back? All the put in record. There are no changes
But
any data level.
only the
But
null will be replaced by 0.
right. So that is the null handling. Just see the output data.
Yes.
Right? Yes or no? This is the decimal
Hmm.
values. In case you have the changes, the integer value. Why not? Yes or no, right? So you're showing that
Yes, yes,
commission column like a decimal values. Remaining all the thing is
yes.
the 0, 0, 0, right? Yeah.
Value.
Now,
Yeah.
same job. Now, what is the job name you mentioned? Modifier. Okay, fine. Now go to that. Save as. Save as. Right. Modify. Modify underscore. Save as a one. Okay.
Yeah,
So
modify
now
one
go to
I did
that.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drop. Drop means, for example, in the target source will have the 8 columns are there, but in the target level, I don't want that the particular column. Like a
Right.
MGR column is available source level. I don't want that MGR column into the target level. How you can?
Hmm.
Right. One more specification. So just click on that specification in the right side. Specification is there. Just add it in the right side. One more specification. Right. What is that here? Drop your column name. That is your syntax. Drop,
Which column we need to drop?
drop MGR,
Which is that?
MGR, MGR.
Yeah. MGR.
Within the source you have the MGR, right? Yes. Right.
This is
One
the
more
syntax.
specification.
Like drop MGR. That's it.
Yes, 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 yes. The column
And
name is
if you
MGR
want
only.
to, and if you want to drop
Multiple,
two or
comma, one more.
yeah.
Comma, comma, one more.
Okay.
Comma, you are make it as specification. Okay. Don't do like this here. Just make it one column now. MGR. Right. I want one more specification. So all the properties within the single job, I have moved explanation here. Now, one more specification. One more specification added. Keep. So remember that. Don't give the keep. So what is the keep? What is the drop? What is the difference?
Okay.
For example, a drop means out of the 8 columns, you have the 8 columns are there, right? In the source 7. Out of the
Right.
8 columns, the particular remainder column, which column you are going to select it, the particular column you are going to drop it.
Right.
Remaining 7 columns are reachable level into the target level.
Right.
But what is the keep? Keep means the particular column is available, remaining all the columns is drop it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So what is use of that? For example, I have the 8 columns are there. Keep employee number.
Hmm.
So only one employee number is available into the target. Remaining all the columns is going to drop it.
Drop.
I mean delete it. What is use of that?
Right.
So opposite. Keep, drop, quite opposite.
Yes.
So we are not never use that. The keep. Okay.
Right.
Understood, right? What I'm saying here. Right.
Yes.
Next specification is there one more. Type conversion. What is
Right.
the type conversion? So for
Data
example,
type.
higher date is there. Yeah, higher date column is there. Higher date, what is the
Hmm.
data type? What is the data type? Timestamp format, right? So what
Right.
is
Hmm.
timestamp? Timestamp means what is the timestamp?
It is a data type. It means to in
Timestamp. Timestamp means year, month, date, hours,
okay.
minutes, seconds. Total you can consider
Right.
this is the timestamp. So
Timestamp.
what is my
Okay.
requirement? So timestamp is converting into date format. How
Right.
is the date? Only year, month, date, right? So
Okay.
timestamp is the total will have that, but I want in the target level only date format. So that is
Right.
the type conversion. So type conversion, what is the syntax for that? Your column name. What is your column
Okay.
name here? Hire date. Hire date is the your column name here. So hire
Higher
date,
date.
your column name,
Higher date. Okay.
hire date is called called date underscore date underscore from underscore date underscore from underscore timestamp timestamp. So within the bracket your column name, within the bracket your column name. So what happened here?
So
That time.
yeah. So what we did is a date from timestamp means we
Higher
are converting
timestamp
from timestamp
timestamp
to date.
to date. Yes.
Date. Okay.
So within bracket your column name like a higher date.
Mm.
So this is the one kind of syntax, right? Now
Okay.
one more. Column header changes, the fifth one. Column
Okay.
changes. Column head changes means, for example, within the my source shall column is here, right? I want salary. Header you are going to changes. Job column is
Mm.
there. So instead of the job column, I want designation. So what column you are going to changes? The header. The header
Mm.
you are going to changes.
Change. Mm.
So what is the syntax for that? Right, one more
Uh,
syntax. One more specification you can add it. One more specification. What is the specification? Your old column name is called new column.
okay.
Old column
So
is called new column. What is the old column? Which column are going?
sal.
Header
Sal.
changes. Shall.
Sal.
Right. Yeah. Shall is called salary.
Okay.
Salary. Okay. Right. Now go to the output tab. Within the output tab, you need to map in the columns, right? Yes or no? Right.
Mm.
So what is outputted here? MGR column should not come to the target. Right. You need to modify.
Mm.
That is the modify stage. So here, modify stage, you are going to load the yourself metadata. So MGR column, I don't want that, right? So remove the MGR column. And here, instead of the salary, sal column, you can make it as salary. You are going converting, right? Yes or no? The metadata you need to load it. Remove that
Okay. But
MGR
for
column.
what for this we did okay drop manager. Okay.
So
Okay.
drop
So if
and header changes.
so if we are directly deleting the metadata means what is the means use of then modify means if we directly delete also then also it will not come right.
Drop. So once here in the source once deleted, it is not coming. But in the source shell we have it, but in the target level I don't want that. Yes or no?
Okay.
I understood, right? So if it's in the
Mm.
source, I want that MGR column. But in the target level, I don't want the MGR column. I want drop it.
Mm.
So according to that, you are going to change your column headers.
Okay.
So MGR column, you need to remove. And one more, shall column, right? Instead of shall column, you need to make it as salary. Edit the cell, edit column name. Target level, what column you are going to display? Salary. So column header changes, you need to changes. Where's that? No, 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 just double. No, no, back, go back. Go to
Cancel.
the columns only. Cancel. Right, here is shall. Double click on that, shall. Double click on that. Yes, you can modify here. Salary. should not have the space.
No.
Salary.
Mm,
Okay. Yes. So what are the modifications going on here? Sal to salary, the header changes to,
mm,
right? MDR column is going to drop it. That is second specification. Null
mm,
handling is going on. That is the one thing. One more,
mm.
header changes,
Data type.
right? And fifth one is the data type changes. Okay,
Right.
right. Now click on OK.
So
So all
data
the
type we can
specifications.
change, sir, one doubt. So which column we change the data type?
Higher date column, higher date.
Higher date. Okay. So higher date we can change here also, right? Or no?
No, already date
Means
is
if
there.
we,
In case what is my requirement? So within the source, in case I have the timestamp format is there, but in the target level, I want only date. This is the data
okay,
type changes. The
okay.
data type. Source level is the timestamp, but target level I
Mm,
want only date. Simply you can say
mm.
trimming, right? Yes or no? Trim that.
Okay.
This is the thing. Right. Now click on OK, make it the target path and then run the job. So all the specification within the single job, I am explanation here. Modify. So modify means single input link, single output link is supposed. Single input link, single output link. Within the modify stage, what are the specifications? Null handling, if, drop, type conversion, header, changes.
Right.
What is the syntax for that null handling?
Column name is equal to handle
Hmm.
null into
Handle
bracket.
underscore null, underscore
Yeah,
null,
handle
underscore null,
underscore
within
null,
the bracket, your column name,
column name
comma,
0.
0. Right.
Mm.
One more, type conversion,
Uh, Column
your
name is
column name
equal
is
to
called uh,
uh,
date underscore from
which
underscore
column you
timestamp within the bracket.
which type
Uh,
which data type you want from
yeah.
old data type into bracket uh, timestamp.
New
Means
data type from your old data type.
right, and bracket
So within the
again
bracket,
column.
your column name. Yes.
Right,
So one more column header changes. For that,
is equal to old column name is equal to new column name.
right. Yes. Now see the output data. See the output data now. File specifications is completed
Why
right
it is
within a single job.
why it is showing this?
Hmm. Data is passing out. Just go to the output data. All the 14 cards is passing out, but you are not able to see that output. Make it the
Why?
proper path is not correct. That's fine, right? Changes the path.
So what I should change exact name
Any
entire
name just make. Yeah, yeah. Any name just make it as SC31. Right.
modify,
Underscore. Yeah. Underscore m.ds. Okay.
right?
Yeah. What are the columns which came? Just click on the here columns. No, no. In the output level. Columns. Data is passing out, but only the toucher. So toucher will be different. So what are the columns are they here? So job, I did. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now run the job. Again, can you run the job and see the output data. See the output data.
Mm. Again the same
No.
thing. Why it is happening?
Input level maybe the data types maybe not matching out. Click on yes. Click on yes. Go to that source. Go to the
Source.
source. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Double click on that, make it the columns. Click on the columns. Commission. Okay, that's fine. Now go to that. Modify. Maybe the data set is the problem, maybe. Right, specification, commission, handle underscore null, drop, mjar. Make it the capital letters. Case sensitive.
Which one?
Mjar. Drop mjar.
Okay. And here also I would have to make
So
them
column names
capital.
is always the capital letters, please. Column names is always the capital letters. Old column is equal new column. Column always is the capital letters.
Here also higher date should be
Yes,
capital.
yes, yeah. Sometimes it's taken that, sometimes it's not taken that. But actually this is not the case sensitive. Maybe the data set is not connecting to the target level. Just try that one here.
Should I run?
Yeah, yeah. See the output data?
Again, same thing.
Schema. So maybe the data set is the issue. Right, no worry. So the data is passing into the target level. How will you look like your output data here? Remove the data set, then you have to see that after that sometime, please. No worry. Okay. So what
Okay.
is the output data should become? What time? 6. Okay.
Sa-
So what is the output
Salary.
data should be? Right. Salary instead of sal, we are going to make it as a salary. Right. So the
Right.
data type is the converting into the date format. One
Right.
more. One more.
Remove null. Nulls will be
Yeah.
replaced by 0. And
0.
column. Yeah, column
So
name
already
already talked.
null values already you completed, right? So the first one.
Yes.
So drop, keep, those are the things. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
So now go to the next scenario. That is 32nd scenario. Here, please open that. What is the 32?
Need to column to
Hmm.
rows conversion.
Hmm.
Okay.
So I have some columns are there. So those are the columns I want converting to the rows conversion. How you are going converting the rows? Like a pivot
Okay.
switch.
Is it
So
vice
simple
versa also
example.
or no?
Now,
Only
now,
column to row.
for example, I have that 8 columns are there, right? So those are the 8 columns. Out of the 9 columns, which I selected, those are the 3 columns or maybe 4 columns. Those are the 4 columns. In the source table, how will it look like that? For example, hire date column, job
Hmm.
column, department
Hmm.
number column. You have the 3 columns are there, right? Within the
Hmm.
source, hire date, you have the 14 records, and
Hmm.
department number, you have the 14 records, and then
Hmm.
salary, you have the 14 records, right?
Right.
So these
Right.
are the 3 columns look like columns in the source level.
Hmm.
Correct, right? So, but these are the 3 columns of the data I want converting into that row level, rows.
Hmm.
I want converting to the rows.
Row.
So how we are
Hmm.
going to convert it? So these are the 3 columns, 14 plus 14 plus 14. So these are the data is loading into at the row level. So 46, right? Yeah, I will. So these are the, how much data will come to the target again? 14 in the 3, totally 42 rows. Yes, I know, right?
I didn't.
Source table have the,
Can you repeat? Can you repeat once again?
yeah,
I'm
source table have the
confused.
3 columns are there. So I want
Right.
converted the, these are the 3 columns. So these are the
Right.
three columns of the data I want
Mm.
converting into single column. Simply you can say.
Okay.
So within the
Okay.
single column, 42 rows you are going to storage. I mean, in the target table, it look like a rows, but source table, it look like a column.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So you can
Mm.
see, once you have to see that output data, you can understand that, please. So
Okay.
pivot support only one input link, only one output link. Yeah, please.
Okay.
One input link, one output link. Take that one source, Oracle, pivot, target, data set. Yes, link of that. Make it as the empty table. Right. Load the columns. Right. Now go to the pivot stage. Within the pivot stage, input to output to. Go to the output tab. Go to the output tab. Under that columns. Click on the columns. So here, column name. So first of all, I want employee number is as it is. I want that. Right. Type it here, column name. EMPNO capital letters. Once make an output, you can understood this. EMPNO. Right. Second line. I want result. Result. This is I created the new column, right? So within the
Right.
result column, I want three columns conversion, where
Mm.
destination, right? The same line, same column, derivation, right? Under the derivation, double click on that. Another right. Now e name comma, e name comma, e name comma, shall comma, shall comma, comma,
E-name.
e name comma, shall comma, department number. So these are the three columns I am going to converting. Right? Next, so source table, how will it look like that? E-name is the 14 records, salary is the 14 records, department number is the 14
Mm.
records.
Mm.
But now, in the target level, the result column is going to create, these are the three columns of the data you are going to loading into the result column, like a rows.
Right. Mm.
Yeah, click on OK. Click on OK. Now go to the target level, target, make it the path. Better to sorting employee number, partition techniques, right? Just for your understandability. So make it the target, make it the hash partition, perform sort on employee number. Hash partition, employee number, perform sort. That is not the mandatory, that's for your understandability. I want to show you proper way for you. Right, now make it the path. Path. Path given that, right? File name. So this
This
is
one,
the
right?
scenario, yes. Scenario
33.
32, 33, yeah? 32 or 33?
Uh,
31, 32,
30,
right?
32. Okay.
Modify 32. C colon slash
Mm.
32.
Mm.
C:32.s. Right, run the job. Source level, we have the 14 records. I'm going to converting these are the three columns. So in the source, we have the columns level is there, but in the target level, you can see look like a row level. Scenario 32 pivot, pivot, pivot. Yes,
Has it run?
right. Yes. So how much output it will come that here? Source is a
32.
14 records, but target is a 42 records. Why? Because of
Mm.
those are the columns is converting into that rows.
One column into 3 rows.
Is
Okay.
three. Yeah, yes or no? Source level look like a
Mm.
columns, but target level
Mm.
in rows. So what I'm saying that
Okay.
here, so this is look like a columns is converting into that is the rows, right? This is the thing here. How is it see that here? Employee number, same employee
Right.
number. So ename, salary, department number. This came right, the same employee number, 769. Yes or no?
Okay. Okay. Ah, got it. Got it. Mm. Mm.
You understand right now? So what happened now? So in the source level, you have the columns, but target level, you can have the row level.
So here, sir,
Clear right?
on the if one more thing, if we
Mm.
add like if we want to remove the duplicate values here, if we sort and remove duplicate, then will it be
Actually, for you
possible that?
understand, yeah, no, no. So duplicates you cannot. Once you duplicate recorded, those are the data you are going to remove duplication. So remove duplication,
Okay.
not that one. So why I'm showing that here, the employee number, why I'm giving that here, for you understand, but I'm showing that here.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
this is employee number not required. What is the requirement?
Mm.
So those are the three columns of the data. I want converting into the rows level.
Right. Right. Got it.
Right. This is I want that. What you
Mm-hmm.
understand it, I am showing that here. Uh, I mean, employee number.
Okay.
Clear? Right.
Yes.
So this is the your pivots. Clear?
Right. Mm.
Next one. What is the next one? Next, 33.
1 second.
What is 33?
We need to combine n number of sources into one single largest target
Right. So,
number of
like
sources
a copy stage. What is the copy stage?
from single source to multiple source.
Right. The reverse order. So the reverse order.
Okay.
How is it like that? So copy stage is our one input and number of
Fine.
but now n number of inputs equal to one output.
Okay.
So that is stage. Which stage you are going to use that?
Funnel.
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 So funnel
Okay.
supports that n number of input links and single target. So funnel supports that n number of input links and only single output. Right? That's a
Output.
copy stage of the reverse
Yes.
here. Copy
Yes.
stage of
Yes.
the reverse. Clear, right?
Right.
So this is the thing here.
Right.
Now, now, make it as your
So for sources, what should I take?
better to take that one is the Oracle, one is the data set, one is the sequence file. You already copy stage you did right. Within the copy stage, these are the three targets you given that. Yes or no? Different
Mm.
targets.
Mm.
I remember that.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes or no? One more point you need to remember. Here, the data types should be same.
Okay.
Each
Do
source of
means
that data types.
is it necessary that the column name should also be same here?
Column same. I mean, structure means the column name should be same. But data with the different. Maybe Oracle we have the 14 records. Data set we have the 5 records. Sequencer we have
Mm.
the 2 records. So I don't bother
Mm.
about the data. So I want bother about the data structure. Structure should be same.
But are they
All the three
sorting means
sources.
is it combining on the basis of key column? That I means that I want to know.
Not only key column.
Okay.
So structure should be same. So what is the data? Those are the three data I am going loading in the target. That is my requirement.
Okay.
Right. So sequence file means you have already sc3.txt something, right? sc3.txt is available, right?
Yes.
Just to go to the C drive, then have to find out.
Oh,
And
one
also
second.
data set
I
also.
yeah. I'll just link this.
Better to take the two sources in the data set, one is the Oracle. Better. Instead of a sequence file.
Remove the sequence.
Yeah, yeah. Data set. You can make it as a data set. So you can use that sequence file also, but some matching columns to something different.
Uh,
Right. Now take that Oracle MP. Take that MP. So scenario one of the target, right? Already there. You can take that one data set as a source.
yes.
Otherwise, scenario 20 of that target, right? The copy stage of output is there. So you need to make it as
Mhm.
data set.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
take that. Those are the data sets. Now go to the data set. Go to the file, browse, browse. So sc1.h is available. Right. You can take that one. So another we have the fortune cards are there, right? Yes or no? The
Mhm.
texture is the
Yes.
EMP table texture. Now that one you can take that. Uh,
6, I think.
remove table. Yeah. Remove duplication stage we did, right? Remove duplicate stage. Which one?
Mm,
Which one? 11th one. Scenario 11.
yes.
Right. Under that you have to remove the duplication of cards, right? Texture is the same.
Mhm.
Okay. Right. Now.
Only duplicates are removed, right? Mm.
Yes. So now go to the columns. All the three the MP table structure only, right? The structure should be same. Data is different.
Right.
Load the structure. Employee table structure.
Uh, in
MP
data
table.
set,
Oracle MP table. EMP table. Data set or
there are
EMP. Whatever. The source table, right? Oracle this is the MP table. No, no, no.
right.
Go to the Oracle. Go to the Oracle. Stage.
I am
Stage
in
properties.
Oracle only.
Table name. You are missing out.
Okay, okay,
Table
okay.
name is missing out.
EMP. Okay.
Now go to columns already done, right? Now go to that. So one more source.
Now,
One more source.
now where?
Yeah, check. Yeah, yeah. Open that. So what are the columns? You need to load the metadata, right? Employee table structure. EMP.
Should I? Okay. Should I do
EMP.
this or
Right?
no?
Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah, anything is fine, right? Same structure. Oracle data set, same structure only, right? Yes. Again, that is also. Done, right? All the three sources.
Mm.
Now go to the funnel. So here you have the continuous funnel. Three types of funnels are there: continuous funnel, sequence funnel, short funnel. So short funnel means your output data is going to sorting.
Okay.
Right. Here, continuous funnel means one by one record is going to capture each source. Output is the same. What is the type of the sequence format you are going to use? Anything is same. Sequence funnel output is the same 14, for example. 14. What kind of that funnel you are going to use? Output is the same, but the background process is different. Background process.
So what is
So
means I didn't understand the
continuous means
difference with
yes. So continuous
I didn't
means
understand.
you have the
Okay.
three sources are there, right? Three sources.
Hmm.
So three sources
Right.
continuous means record by record level. First source of the first record, second source of the first record, third source of the first record.
Okay.
Capture that.
Okay.
Then go back.
Hmm.
Again, first source of the second record, second source of the second record, third source of the second record. Completed, right? Now back. So
Hmm.
this is the way the operation is going on the background.
Okay.
That is a continuous.
A-
What is the
And
sequence?
sequence?
Sequence means
Yeah.
all the so first source of the audio record captured, second source of the audio
Okay.
record, third source of the audio record. Parallel level you are going to capture. Parallel level.
So,
That is sequence funnel. So
but
what
any
happens
difference
here?
in the output? Any difference in
There is no
output?
difference. Output is there is no difference. Performance level. One by
Okay.
one level that is sequence and their performance is down, right?
So, so which one is fast then? Continuous or sequence performance wise?
Sequence funnel. Sequence.
Okay. Okay.
So now you can select anything. So you are going to execute three. First of all, continuous funnel, then go to sequence funnel, then go to the start funnel. Right. Make it output path. Yeah, yeah. Output mapping, mapping. Right. Target, target, path. Scenario 33 underscore. What this one? Scenario 33 underscore
Funnel.
funnel. Yes. Run the job. You can see the output data. So scenario 33 underscore funnel underscore continuous. You're doing that, right? Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Okay. Okay. Run the job. See the output data. Okay, fine, fine. Funnel 1, 2, 3 like this you are making.
Okay.
Within the first source, how much data is there? You can see.
5.
Right. So first source you have the 5 records. Why? There is the duplicate records, right? Job is the some duplicate records. Second source you have the 40 records. Third source you have the 40 records. Total how many records? 14 plus 14
33.
plus 5. 33 rows is came right here.
Right.
Right? Yes. This is the one. Continuous one, right? Yes. Now
Hmm.
change the problem. Save as the job and save as the job. Six one. Okay. Fine. Fine. Change the property. Sequence one. Sequence one. Now run the job. There is no difference. Output level, the background level is different. The physical process is different. Run the job, see the output.
33. Same number.
Same output, right? Now go to that.
Right.
One more. Save as start funnel. Start funnel and then run the job. See the output. Target level you can see the output.
Sort funnel key it is asking.
No. Oh, yeah.
So
We can make it
key,
one of
what
the
should
key.
I give?
Part means we are going to make it as any one of the key column, right?
And here it is like null positions and all. It is. Sir,
Yes, yes, yes. What that? Case
here
sensitive,
case
if you want the
sensitive.
case sensitive or case sensitive means if you want that target level, include the case sensitive values also if you want, you can allow that. That's the meaning. Null position means where you have null values are is available. So those are the position 1, 2, 3. Those are the columns, commission column is there. This is the commission we have some null values are there. Suppose you are going to make that,
Right.
but you are not using that. Now you can make it as column. Now run the job.
Now I think the number will be reduced. No? Or no?
Number not rigid, right? All the data is same. 30,
Only sorted.
33, yeah?
Only sorted.
Sorting the
Yeah.
data. But how you are going to sort in the data? 10, no, 20, 30
On the
like this, yeah?
department number.
No. Department number, that's fine. But that is grouping, group level sorting.
Means like how? I didn't understand.
All the 30 department, all the 20 department, same together.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Hmm.
If you want proper sorting, you can make it as, yes, output is the same, right? 33. Yeah.
If you want proper sorting, what you said?
Just you are going to use the partition techniques in the target level, the
Ah,
particular
okay,
department.
okay.
This
Hmm.
thing. This is a different way.
And I'm just checking the output. What
Yeah. See the output data.
department number 20?
Right. How is it look like that your output data? All that together of the data, right? Yes or no? All the 20 together, all the 30, all the 30. 10 like this.
No, here 20, here also it is there below. 20, 20, then 30, then 10, again 30, like this. Why?
Which funnel we are using? Sort funnel only, right?
Yes, sort.
So grouping level sort will come that. Maybe that is wrong.
So means what wrong is done?
Actually, that is the grouping should become that. The sort funnel means. So
Right.
all the 30 is together, all the 20 is together, all the
So
10 is
have we done
together. Like
anything
this will
wrong?
be that.
So have we done
Uh,
anything wrong?
Nothing but in the background level, maybe that like this is going on. Maybe that's the issue. So
Okay.
now better to go to that here in the target level, partition techniques. Go to the partition techniques. Volume of the data is a different level than we have. Department number has partition. Department number has partition. Right. Now run the job. Now how you look like that should be sort.
Okay.
All the 10, all the 20, all the 30. See that.
Now it is correct.
Right? Perfectly same, right? This is sort.
Hmm.
Normally, this is the way you are going to use that.
Okay.